The Crafting Nook, 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 the
Hello to all my crafty creators. I am Felicia with the Crafting Nook, and y'all, we are ready. Look, I can't have show my hands because I started peeling nail polish and all, and I'm kind of ashy, so y'all see I put this in. Like it was kind of it was a little tacky, but more so on, it was better. And what I did, my hand missing got caught up over here, and I was like, I had a big mess. Then the extra that I had, my arm got caught up over here. Then I had a big I had a big mess, y'all. I said, what in the world? Girl, you don't know how to work no more. Like, really? Y'all, I had a mess. My mess was too much of a mess, y'all. I promise it was. It was absolutely terrible. But I just use these picture things here. You can get them from Dollar Tree. They're really just like for you to hang pictures and stuff. I should have put 2 in here, but I was like, just let me get 1. And then when my hand was over there, I was like, oh no, let me just slide this to the middle. And that's what I did, y'all, because I was, oh, honey, it was not the best. So what I'm gonna do is take me a piece of wire. And I'm not gonna use a whole lot. Oh goodness, I bet you my wire cutters aren't out here. So not prepared. Gee whiz. Anyway, I don't need all of this wire. All I need, I'm gonna need about 3 strands maybe. I think I'm gonna keep about 3 strands. Yeah. If I can get it off now, just void. Abort. Let's not even do that. I'm gonna take this and twist it, put it like this, twist it round, and then I'm gonna hang it up. Okay, now let me get y'all to what y'all came to see. I'm so scared, y'all. This is my project, y'all. Something that oh gracious, let me look. Oh my goodness, is it cute? Is it cute? I can't tell. I'm not looking. I'm not looking yet. Uh-oh. Oh my gracious, it's pretty. Do y'all see this? Oh. Y'all, when I talk loud, my voice changes a little bit. Sorry, but, you know, not sorry. Look at the little pinhole right there and right there. But it looks wonderful. Y'all, oh goodness. Can y'all believe how it looks? It is pretty, y'all. These are the colors in her room. It's so pretty. She has like one wall this color. Okay, the other 3 walls are gray, and she's got to put the trim up, but the trim is gonna be in the white. So we're almost finished with her room, and this would be gorgeous, y'all. I should put her name here. I don't know. It's just pretty by itself, y'all. I got to make me one for my room. Y'all know my room is gray, peach, and white. So I got 3 gray walls, 1 peach wall, and white trimming. So her room is the opposite of mine. Gosh, this looks good. Oh my goodness, molds and shapes, you come through every time. Y'all, if y'all hadn't used molds and shapes before, let me tell you, let me stop right there. Let me tell you, get you a molds and shape mold. You see how thick this thing is. Look at my thumb. Look at my thumb. You see my thumb? Look at there. I'll turn it this way. You see my finger? Look. This is a very thick mold, okay? If you hadn't seen a molds and shapes silicone mold, you need to see it. You see, it is perfect. I mean, everything, the detail is really nice. Y'all see that? I don't have to say it too much because y'all can see it. Y'all see it for yourself. This is a very nice mold. Now, I just got to make one for myself. This is so nice. I mean, I can even make this one cross, or I can make with the gray and this gray too. I can make that a separate cross, or I could just make it one whole big cross and not have the different colors. But y'all, I love these different colors. My baby, she's gonna like this. I gotta pray over it though. I gotta pray over it, and you know, so I can, you know, kind of make it better for her, and you know, she can believe that it's part of the protection of her. You know, she knows God protects her, but and we're not supposed to just have things that we worship, such as this cross. We're not supposed to worship this cross, but we know the meaning of the cross. So, but I'm gonna pray over it for her and hang it up in her room, let her know she's blessed, which she knows that anyway. Y'all, let me stop rambling. This box right here, y'all, this box was made to go in her room too. I don't know when I did this. I don't even know whether I showed y'all or not, but this little box was made to go in her room as well. And see right here, I wanted it to be this dark. I don't know what I did to make it this dark, which it looks about the same, right? Right, you think? Ugh, I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna let y'all go because I got some more ideas I need to come up with and some other things I need to do. And just go ahead with a lot of little stuff. This is cute. This was some extra from that. This is a little this right here is supposed to be a little coaster, but I messed up because I didn't have enough in there and I just went ahead and took it out. But I don't know, it could be something. God knows, I know I need to stop. I need to stop, honey. This one was cute. I had this left over from something. I don't know. From that maybe. I don't know. But it was cute. And this was left over from when I did my pyramid. When we all did the pyramid in the live together. And I just went back, and being that this is a matte finish, I just went back and put a clear coat of resin on top of it, and you know, just did it. No particular reason, just something to do. I was doing something just because, honey. That's the way I do things, just because. So it's a little lighter with some extra stuff that I had also. But anyway, I love y'all. I will see y'all very soon. I don't know, and I can't promise you about tomorrow, but I may come back tomorrow and do something else with y'all, okay? Or I might just go ahead and work on a video from start to finish instead of, you know, these days. going along, you know, separately. Okay. So anyway, like I said, I love you all. Y'all say something kind to someone. It never hurts. Okay. Never hurts anyone to say anything kind. Okay. Mean it from your heart. And y'all please try to stay positive. Stay safe. Stay active. Stay humble. It's so many safes I can say, but I'm just gonna stop it right there. Okay. Let me stop it right there. I love you. Bye.